Hi YouTube, welcome back to Wtf Rc Cars. So we've got a quick video today to show you how to restore your backup model memories to your nb4 should you have to reset it or if you bought a new one. There's a few things to bear in mind on this. If you are on firmware 208X, so any of the 8 ones, you're going to need Flysky Assistant version 1.0. Or if you're on the 2093 or 99, you're going to need Flysky Assistant version 1.1. And I've done previous videos showing you what you need to do on that. So you need your nb4 powered up, connected to your PC. Then open the Flysky Assistant. You want to click on this one to change it to English. And this is where I've seen a few people having an issue. So first off, you need to read the model memories from the nb4, so it knows what it's looking at. Then you need to select your model backup. So that's as backup file. Then if you want to copy one, you can just highlight the one you want to copy it to and press import. If you want to do a full restore like I'm doing, you highlight them both on either side, press import, and that'll copy all your model memories to the exact same spot on this side. So that's copied them all across, and then you'll see it refresh and you can see the model memories are all copied for you. And you can also check on your nb4, and then you've got the model memories that you should have or that you wanted back on your actual nb4. So it's a nice easy process to do. The issue what I've seen people doing is not reading the nb4 first. So let's see if I can show you quickly. So basically, if you just go to load your model memories from your backup, and then you select all and you press import, it'll tell you that you need to select all, but then I've seen people saying they select all and it does nothing. You actually need to read the nb4 memory first so it knows what the target is for this. And likewise, if you wanted to copy just one across, you can highlight it, then highlight the one you want it to copy to, and you can just press import and it'll copy that one across. So it is quite handy if you've got like a complex vehicle setup like the TRX8 and you've got a new TRX with an 8-channel TRX 406, sorry, with an 8-channel receiver, and you want to copy all your settings, but then you understand you need to go in and set your endpoints because no two vehicles are usually exactly the same. But all the mappings for your buttons, your lights, everything, they will be useful and they'll already be copied over for you, and then you can just rename the model memory once you go into nb4. But hope that clears it up a bit, and I hope a few of you find that useful. If you like this kind of video, don't forget to like and subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification bell and share to friends and family, and I'll catch you guys again in the next one.